Hey everybody, how's it going? So I have this old Porta Power. It's an old Blackhawk Porta Power from the early 50s, and I've used the hell out of it, as you can see. And it comes with various bars. This is a 24.5 inch bar, I think it is, or 25. And they all fit together basically. If any guys have ever used a Porta Power, you know how they work. So here's the long ram, and they have quick fit connections on them. I put new ones on. The old ones were starting to leak, and so I was just able to go to Princess Auto and pick up a couple new ones. I had to change all the fittings. And this is the RAM, the power pack itself. So it's got that. It's got different extensions of various lengths. This thing is awesome for body work, auto body work, just all sorts of stuff, various length extensions. So those are just extensions. This is a RAM. It also comes with a spreader. So you connect this up to it and you pump it up and it spreads open with 10 tons of force. Various attachments like this base leg. So you can put that there and you're using your hydraulic ram. You put that in there and then say, let's put that down there and then say we'll put, you know, you can put another extension on here if you want or not, or you can just push numerous fittings on here. This is a rubber-ended run. Great for pushing out auto body panels and stuff. You know, you hook this up, jack this up, and this will go push out with 10 tons of force. So it's got that. It's got this, different fittings that all go on there. This one. This is a chain. Pushes on a chain. I'll have to show you guys this one of these days. This is just a straight out pusher. Again, they all fit on there. And this, there you go, an offset pusher. So, anyway, we'll take that out of there for now. I've just had it sitting in there, and it's just a, there's nothing, once it's in here, you can't grab the handle. It's impossible to carry. So we're going to get rid of that. And what I picked up, also keep this adjustable wrench in there. It's handy for just tightening stuff up, the fittings and such. I picked up this cheap Husky 24-inch toolbox with metal handle, metal clasps, and metal pins in the hinges. So that's what I want. That's what I bought this for, was to put that in there. So let's see how this is all going to work. Open this up. Let's take out that little top tray. Get that out of the way. Put that in there first. All right. So far we're good. Let's get that down. In there, over there. Now this is the longest piece, so we're going to see how. Oh, excellent. Everything fits in here like a glove. There. Oh, yeah, we've got that. This is the long one. So no, it barely fits. We're gonna have trouble with this one. Well, we'll have to work something out here. I'll figure something out. There we go. Fits like that. Put the ends in there. Problem is we can't fit this in here anymore, but it's not really a concern. I just want everything together, and this ought to do that. Let's see. Going to take some figuring to get this thing in there. I have a possible idea, which may involve drilling out part of that. or not. Well, we'll figure it out anyway. That's what I bought it for. But I'll just give you guys a quick little demo of how handy this thing is. So let's take out that ram. We'll put the base on it. Stand that up. And we'll just put that on there for now. So what you do is this comes off. Does that unscrew out of there? Yeah, so you unscrew the plug, the cap off of here. Just to keep stuff from getting in the fitting. And stop fluid from getting out. It doesn't leak. The fittings seal themselves, but there is a slight bit of seepage and there's some residual fluid there. This one we do the same thing. We take off this end cap. There you go. Quick hydraulic fittings, quick connections. Put that back. Push that in. Screw this on. Okay, let's make sure the valve is closed on the old pump. Let's just set this down out of the way for now. Okay, so there we go. Now, so it's got this little valve, just like a jack, to let pressure off. There we go. Watch here. Now this one is a, let's say 10-ton. Doesn't say Porto Power, Blackhawk, Applied Power, hand pump model, 651, 8,650 PSI. I don't know what that is in tonnage. But anyway, see, there you go. And then to let her down, you just turn this. There we go. So let's tighten that back up. Let's take this off of here. It's just super useful for all sorts of things. Let's take that off. Let's put that in there. Cap that off so it's not leaking no more. There we go. Set that aside. Let's grab the duckbill spreader now. This is cool and useful for all sorts of things. So again, let's take the cap off the end here. And I just put these fittings on a little while ago, not that long ago, so they're good fittings, brand new fittings. Just attach this there. Screw that on. Okay, make sure that's tight. Now watch, hold on, let's bring you over here. Bring you down a little bit. Now let's watch this sucker go. That's it, that's as far as it goes. Pretty cool, eh? Doesn't take much. 3 pumps till fully opened. Loosen that off and it closes easily. What else is there to add? Not sure what these holes are for. Can somebody explain that to me? I heard something about being used for a chain. I'm not sure how that works. But I don't know. If any of you guys out there have any idea, let me know because I'd like to know. I rebuilt this thing about 5 years ago. Just put all new seals on it and everything. It's really easy. Is that the right way? Yeah, that's the right way. Okay. So that's it. Yeah. It's just super handy. It has 2 rams. You can get different rams. You can get low profile ones like this, you know. All sorts of them. And again, you get different extensions that can add on to this instead of that end. You know, you can just add, I think I've got about 9 feet worth of extensions total. So yeah, again, handy for all sorts of stuff. So if you have any questions or comments, as usual, leave them down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. What else? Yeah, if you have any questions, just ask. I'll answer them. If you have any answers for me, that's even better. Like, explain to me what these holes are for in the spreader. I am not sure. I've heard different explanations, but none of them... Some of them, they all made a little bit of sense, but none of them made perfect sense. So, that's it. I need a rag. Got a piece of paper towel. Enough of these blue towels everywhere. So, yeah. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and continue to have a wonderful day, wonderful week, whatever. All of that. All that good stuff. Take it easy and see you in the next one. Bye.